Latest news: U.S. aerospace giant Lockheed Martin has offered to sign an exclusive deal to India for newly rolled out F-21 fighter jet, telling New Delhi that it will not sell this aircraft to any other country if India agrees to buy it. Last month, the Indian Air Force issued initial tender to acquire 114 jets at a cost of around $18 billion, which is the one of the world's biggest military procurement in recent years. Lockheed F-21, Boeing FA-18, Dassault Aviation Rafale, the Aerofighter Typhoon, Russian aircraft MiG-35, and Sub Gripen are the top contender for the deal. Lockheed Martin is committed to strategic, long-term international defense partnership with India, said a statement the company released on Tuesday. Our proposed partnership with India are ideally suited to not just meet but exceed India's capability and defense industrial need. Nothing India has pressing need for advanced, scalable defense capabilities. Lockheed Martin proposed a game-changing defense partnership.